Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do a fall takedown video and also redecorate with me for Christmas time. I was gonna do two separate videos, but I just decided just to put it all in one because I'm just ready to put up this Christmas decor. I'm doing something a little different this time, which I'll show you later on in the video. I'm just gonna go ahead and just take the fall things down, and then we'll talk about all my decor that I have and all my new decor that I have, and then we'll put the Christmas stuff up. Okay. So I just want to take this time at the beginning of my video to say hello to anyone who's new. Thank you so much for checking out my channel. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you do, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. I do have another Christmas decorate with me video coming soon, so I don't want you to miss out on that. But I'm just so happy to have you part of my channel. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I just hope you enjoyed today's video. But I'm kind of worried because the stuff that comes out of my bedroom, the fall things, need to go in here as well, and I don't know if I'm gonna be able to fit all of this with this stuff and the stuff that's in the my bedroom, so we'll have to figure that out. Also, these are gonna go in there as well. I just gotta take these out. I think I'm gonna use these for Christmas time as well. And then I need to take these out of there. And then these need to go with the Valentine's Day stuff. So, and that's in the garage. So I'm gonna have to keep that out for a minute. now that I got everything clean, I'm just gonna show you everything that I have after I pulled everything out. And didn't realize I had so much stuff, but I won't be using it all because I just changed up the theme that I'm going with this year. But I'll show you that in this next clip. Okay, so this is what I have now, and all of this, like this, some of this stuff is what I used last year. And if you remember, this was red and I spray painted it white. But a lot of this stuff I got during the day after Christmas sale, or you know, that sale. So I got like some of these things, and then that I already had that, but these right here that have tags on them still, like I got all of that the day after Christmas sale. And then some of these things like this, I didn't even know I bought that. Don't remember where I got it or when I got it, but apparently I got it. So I have all that. And then this back here is stuff that I'm going to use. Like this is going to go in my bedroom. That will go in my bedroom. I got that from Dirt Cheap. Some of the stuff I already had, and then some of it is new from Dirt Cheap or from Walmart or just after Christmas sale. And then I had this garland, and I will not be using it because I don't want to use red. So yeah. And then over here are the new things that I got yesterday, really. So I got this black garland from Walmart. I got these two trees from Hobby Lobby. I got this new pillow from Hobby Lobby. I got this from Hobby Lobby. This from Hobby Lobby. That was from Walmart. Walmart, Hobby Lobby, Hobby Lobby. And then I got these trees. I thought these were just so cute. But I got those from Walmart. And I got some bulbs. So we do, for our Christmas tree, we do like things that we have created over the years. Like myself and my brother did over the years. And so our Christmas tree is not like very decorative. We do like homemade stuff. But I wanted to bring in some black so it can kind of tie it all in together. And then that's why I got this ribbon to go on the tree as well. And then I got some new stockings, and they're not my favorite, but I could not find any that I just loved. So I just got these. And then I got this sign from Hobby Lobby. And then these were things I already had. Got this from Walmart, and I think that's it. And then I have this box right here that has stuff in it that I don't think I'm gonna be using. It's from my old house. And then that's some stuff down there that I probably won't be using because it was from my old house as well. So this is all the things that I have. So we'll see how I can pull everything together.
I'm not gonna play it safe. It's going down on Christmas Day.
Like growing up, I think we used to wait until after Thanksgiving to do our decorating, but now that I am like kind of the one who does the decorating just because I love it so much, I like to get it up as soon as I can because I like to look at it longer. But then when the holiday season is over, I like to go ahead and take it down as quick as possible. But let me know in the comments, do you like to wait to put up your Christmas decor until after Thanksgiving, or are you the type of person that likes to put it up like November the 1st?
I'm trying to tell you in every way, yeah, I'm trying to show you, but somehow felt I want to have someone to hold. Walking through the falling snow. I'm trying to tell you in every way, but now I get done, I'm not going away. And right around the mistletoe, don't let my feelings show.
So I can not take the credit for pulling in the black because I did not come up with that. I got this idea from Ashley, and her channel name is Till Vacuum Do Us Part. But she's been pulling in lots of black into her home and into her decor, and so I just wanted to try it out, and I thought it turned out really, really good.
What child is this who laid to rest on Mary's lap is sleeping? Whom angels greet with anthem sweet, while shepherds watch.
So this thing right here is definitely a game changer for this Christmas. All you have to do is push the button, and it turns on the Christmas tree lights.
Good Christian fare for sinners here. The silent word is pleading. This is Christ the King, whom shepherds guard and angels sing. Haste, haste to bring him loud, the babe, the Son of Mary. What child is this who laid to rest on Mary's lap is sleeping? Whom angels greet with anthem sweet, while shepherds watch are keeping. So bring him incense, gold and myrrh, compassing King to own him. The King of Kings salvation brings, let love in hearts enthrone him. Nails spiritual piercing through, the cross was born for me, for you. Hail, hail the Word made flesh, the babe, the Son of Mary. Raise, raise the song on high, the Virgin sings her lullaby. Joy, joy, for Christ is born, the babe, the Son of Mary.
So the last thing I needed to do was just hang up the stockings, and I had to put on new nails just to hang those up because I wanted to hang them differently than I did the years before. So this is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up if you did. Also, if you're new, thank you so much for checking out my channel. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please make sure you subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on my next Christmas decorate with me. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.